Now, one thing I quickly want to mention here for all of you beginners, and it's a problem that everybody comes across, or almost everybody, in that they are always so worried about the estimates. They think, how can I estimate how long it's going to create a homepage or a resource page if I don't know all the exact requirements? I may start developing it and it may be extremely easy, or I may start developing it and it's going to be extremely hard. I may come across problems that I can't even imagine right now. How can I possibly estimate correctly? And the point here is not to estimate correctly. The estimate is just that. It is an estimate. It is your best hypothetical guess how long you think something is going to take. To this day, I still get so many of my estimates wrong. I do my best to estimate as close as I possibly can. And if I'm off, I learn my lesson and I try to adjust that for the next time. If I'm right, then that's great. But if I'm not, nobody is going to punish me. No, but there is no boss there saying, "Hey, Nikolai, you said that you were going to take one sprint to test this, and now you're a sprint and a half. What's going on here?" And if that ever happened, I would just let them know, "Hey, listen, there was a lot of blockers and a lot of unforeseeable circumstances that slowed the process down." And that's why the agile process is so cool, in that you can adjust, right? You can make sure that, oh my God, we have this problem that keeps reoccurring and keeps slowing down the sprint. Why don't we fix this problem in our next sprint so that all of our future sprints can be faster? That's the kind of stuff that you can do whenever you're in the agile Scrum process. Therefore, don't worry so much about the estimates. Do your best, estimate as good as you can, and in the beginning, I would recommend that you, whatever the estimate is that you think for your automation feature or for your testing feature, whatever it is, multiply it by 2.5 times, maybe even 3 for some of you that are completely beginning. If you think something is going to take you 1 hour, say it's going to take you 3.5, 4 hours. If you think something's going to take you 2 hours, make it 6, 7 hours. Okay? It's very safe. Nobody's going to punish you for it. However, the best philosophy to follow is to underpromise and overdeliver. That is a great thing. It is much better than underpromising, than overpromising, and underdelivering. If you're telling someone it's going to take so long to do something and you're not delivering on time consistently, that's a problem. But if you're delivering faster than expected, that is excellent. So just keep that in mind. So anyways, now that we have our product backlog, what we need to do is go into our sprint planning.